So the birds are in their new home. It just got released.
Eh,
Look at them.
ahí voy.
No.
Cierro.
All the birds.
Yeah, ahí viene
So
un
we didn't build a two-door, but I don't think we need it because the bird is so long. I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna be done. You scare the birds that way. You open the door, and simply you're out. So the cage is long, so you don't need a double door. Maybe in the future when we have lots of them. But as of right now, we're good. My dad's pretty smart. He even got a hanger in there. We build our own little things. Birdie, birdie, birdie. So there's a total of 19 in here, babies that were born here. And the mom over there has about like 6 more. But they're still not big enough to be in here. So, yep.